Hi, welcome to Food Interest. Well, to start with, let me tell you this chicken pepper fry can be used as starter or mix with rice and have as chicken pepper rice, or you can also have this with chapati. Very easy recipe, even kids have this with no issues. I'm using 250 grams of chicken for this. Take a pan, add ghee, approximately 1 tablespoon, and add cumin seeds. When it starts to splutter, add fennel seeds and curry leaves. To this fried curry leaves, add chopped garlic, and give a nice stir. When garlic starts to change its color or softens, add roughly chopped onions. Onions give good taste at the end, so chop them little bigger. Now add salt according to your taste and again give a stir. When onions starts to change its color, you can add chicken. I've refrigerated them along with little turmeric, so it looks little different. A pinch of turmeric powder. You need not close the lid or keep on stirring in intervals so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Half a tablespoon of cumin powder and half a tablespoon of coriander powder. Again mix this or combine. Now simmer the flame, add lemon extract. I have used half a lemon for this, and pepper powder, approximately 1 tablespoon. Give a quick stir and switch off the flame. At the end, garnish this with few coriander leaves. And here you go, chicken pepper fry or chicken starter is ready to be served.